Hello everyone, this is Rachna Sharma and you are watching Food Tech Geeks where I upload videos, lectures, tutorials, career guidance videos, exam related videos on food science and technology. So if you are a food tech fresher and are preparing for a job, then this is one of the most important videos for you. This video will help you in your job interview. 2 months ago, I had my first job interview with McCain, and I have got through that and ended up working in this reputed MNC. So I thought to share my personal experiences that may be useful and helpful to you all also. So let's get started. So the interview process may have 2 or 3 stages. The one being the round with HR, then with the technical team, and then the you can also have some aptitude test. So basically it is for 2 or 3 rounds. So for the first round, that is very simple, that is a HR round. When you apply for any company, the HR will first contact you, and then he or she will have a small conversation with you. Then they will only ask you about your resume and just a simple introduction from you. So that is the simple thing. So in that thing, what is the most important thing, that you must be thorough about your resume. Like you must be very well aware like what exactly you have written in your resume, and you need to give your resume verbally in just 1 or 2 minutes. Like you need to be very crisp about your introduction. So here comes your vocabulary skills, your confidence, and your presentation skills. So this is the first most important thing, that you should be very thorough about yourself and about your resume. So when you get through the HR round, then you have a round with the technical team. So for that conversation, what are the most important things are, the one most important being, you need to be very clear about the post you are applying for. Like for example, I applied for the post in R&D. So it is very important that you should be thorough about like what is the job profile. Only then you will be able to represent yourself as the best candidate for that particular job. So this is the first thing you need to do before sitting for the interview. Then the second thing is, again they will ask you about yourself. This is the first question you will face. They will ask you to introduce yourself. So here you need to be very creative, and there reflects your presentation skills. And so what you can do, for that you can highlight the major points from your resume. If you are having some achievements, or you are having some certificate courses, so and your educational qualification, all these are to be added in your introduction, along with your skills and your interest and hobbies. So these points are needed to be included in the introduction part. So after your introduction part, what will you be facing is, you can face certain questions which are linked to your job profile. Like for example, in my case, like McCain is a frozen food industry. Like most of the products the McCain produce in India are frozen. So what they will ask you the questions which are related to your job profile. So they asked me questions about freezing, and like all all the things which are included in the frozen food products, in the manufacturing, in the storage and the processing part of the frozen food products. So all these type of questions were asked. So be ready for these questions, because that makes you suitable for the job. Like if you are having the better information and better knowledge which is important for that particular job, then it helps you in getting selected. So those type of questions from your curriculum will be asked. And then the third point is, if you have done any internship or any industrial training, then be ready to have a lot number of questions from your that experience. So I had my experience in Delhi Milk Scheme. I have done my training in that, and then I have done my one of the internships in Mother Dairy also. So I had a lot number of questions from my that section also, because then it shows like how dedicatedly you have done your internship, because internships are very important part of our curriculum. They give us a good exposure of the industries, they give us a good exposure of the working environment of the industry. So the recruiter expect that you must have done your internship wholeheartedly, so they will ask you a number of questions from your internships and trainings. And then if you have attended any seminar, workshops, so some of the questions will be asked from that section also, like what new you have learned from there. So if you have added any seminar attended or workshop attended in your resume, so be ready for the questions from that section also. So you just need to give the basic information you have received from there. Like I have attended certain workshops and seminars organized by FSSAI and other organizations, so they asked me like what new I have learned there, because in seminars or in workshops or like symposiums, at a single platform, the experts from different fields come up with their studies, with their research. So from there you can get a very good amount of information, a very good knowledge. So the recruitment process involves a lot number of questions from those seminars you have attended. And then they will surely ask you about the company. So you must be knowing about the company, about its history, how the company has been set up, and what exactly it is doing in the market. So these type of questions can also be asked, because I also face some questions about McCain, like McCain products, what my personal experience for the McCain products. So such type of questions were also asked. So you must be aware of the products of these industries in the market, like what are the various products in the market, how people are reacting to them, what is their success story, where they are lagging behind. So you need to do such type of homework on that company also, so that you can answer the questions confidently. And they can ask you your experience also, like I was asked my experience for the McCain products. So you need to frame your answers confidently and smartly. You have to present yourself as one of the best candidate for the company. You need to prove yourself that yes, you will be beneficial for the company. So these are some of the experiences I like to share from my side. And yes, I know it has been quite late since I had to upload this video. So I'm really sorry for this delay. So I hope that this must have given you a fair idea like how the interview is like, what the freshers need to take the things in mind. So if you like this video and feel it to be an important and a good video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.